Have you ever wondered if your thoughts can shape the reality of your world? What if quantum physics can offer some insights? Enter the world of quantum physics, a realm that challenges our everyday perceptions of reality. It's a world where particles can exist in two places at once, where observing a particle can change its state, and where seemingly disconnected particles can affect each other's behavior, no matter the distance. This is the world that could potentially hold the key to understanding how our thoughts may influence our reality. In its simplest form, quantum physics, also known as quantum mechanics, is the study of the tiniest particles in the universe, such as atoms and subatomic particles like electrons and photons. It's a branch of physics that delves into the behavior and interaction of these particles, which often contradicts the laws of classical physics that we're used to. Now, how does this connect to our thoughts and reality? Some quantum theorists suggest that our thoughts could be linked to the behavior of these tiny particles. The idea is rooted in the principle of quantum superposition, which suggests that particles can exist in multiple states until they are observed or measured. This could mean that our thoughts, which involve the observation and interpretation of the world around us, could potentially influence the state of reality. Imagine a tree falling in a forest. According to quantum superposition, until someone observes the tree, it exists in a state of both falling and not falling. In the same way, it is thought that our reality could be a superposition of all possible realities until our thoughts or observations collapse it into one. But of course, these ideas are still theories and the subject of ongoing debate among physicists. Quantum physics is a complex and mysterious field, and its potential implications on our reality are nothing short of fascinating. Quantum physics, though complex, can be quite fascinating, especially when we start to explore its implications on our reality. Does our mind, our thoughts, have the power to create reality? Let's delve deeper into this question. Quantum physics, the study of the tiniest particles and their behavior, presents us with some intriguing theories that may suggest just that. One such theory is the observer effect. In a nutshell, it proposes that the act of observation can change the outcome of a particular event. To put it simply, when we observe or measure something, we're not just passive spectators. We're active participants influencing the outcome. Now, let's take a step further into the realm of quantum weirdness with the concept of superposition. This principle tells us that a particle can exist in multiple states simultaneously until it's observed. It's like Schrödinger's cat, both alive and dead until we open the box to check. So what does this have to do with our minds and reality? Well, if our observation can affect the state of particles, could it be possible that our thoughts, our conscious intent, also have a similar impact? Some scientists and philosophers argue that this could indeed be the case. The idea is that our thoughts, our conscious intent, could act as an observer in the quantum field, collapsing the superposition of possibilities into a single, definite reality. It's an idea that challenges the conventional understanding of reality as something fixed and unchangeable. Instead, it proposes a reality that's flexible, moldable by our thoughts and intentions. However, it's essential to remember that these are just theories, interpretations of the strange and often paradoxical world of quantum physics. They are not universally accepted, and there's still a great deal of debate and research to be done. As we can see, quantum physics might suggest that our thoughts have more power over reality than we might initially think. What role does consciousness play in shaping our reality? That's the question we're examining in this segment. So, what is consciousness? In essence, it's our awareness, our perception of the world, our thoughts, emotions, and memories. It's the subjective experience of being you. Now, where does this tie into quantum physics? Well, some interpretations of quantum physics suggest that consciousness plays a vital role in shaping reality. One such theory is the quantum mind proposal, which posits that our minds are not just the result of complex biological processes, but are also influenced by quantum phenomena. Imagine this. You're in a dark room and you switch on the light. Suddenly you can see everything in the room. The light didn't create the room. It merely revealed what was already there. Similarly, our consciousness doesn't create reality, but it does reveal it. It's our consciousness that collapses the quantum wave function, turning possibilities into actual experiences. This idea is based on the quantum mechanics principle known as superposition, where a quantum system can exist in multiple states simultaneously until it's observed. When observed, it collapses into one state. So according to this theory, it's our observation, our consciousness, that determines the outcome. However, this doesn't mean we can just think about $1 million and have it materialize in front of us. It's not about consciously controlling reality. Rather, it's about understanding that our perceptions and experiences of reality are influenced by our consciousness. The interconnectedness of consciousness and reality, as suggested by quantum physics, is a profound concept. It challenges the traditional notions of objectivity and subjectivity, blurring the lines between the observer and the observed. It suggests that reality isn't just something that happens to us, but something that we're an integral part of. So while the quantum mind theory and similar ideas are still very much in the realm of speculation and ongoing research, they offer intriguing possibilities. Our consciousness, as quantum physics suggests, might be intricately linked with the reality we experience. How can we apply these quantum concepts in our day-to-day life? A great question, and one that we'll tackle in this segment. Firstly, we need to understand that quantum physics isn't just a field for scientists or academics. It's a tool for everyone, and its concepts can be applied in our everyday lives. How so? Well, let's dive right in. One of the key concepts we've discussed is the power of the mind, and more specifically, the power of thought. We've seen how our thoughts can influence the reality we experience. So a practical step to apply this concept is through mindfulness. Being mindful means being fully present in the moment, aware of our thoughts, feelings, and actions without judgment. By practicing mindfulness, we can better control our thoughts and consequently, our reality. Next, we can harness the concept of wave-particle duality. This quantum phenomenon suggests that all particles can exist in multiple states at once until they are observed. In a similar vein, the possibilities in our lives are infinite until we make a choice. So the next time you're faced with a decision, remember this concept. Know that there are endless possibilities available to you, and your choice will shape your reality. Finally, let's talk about positive thinking. You've probably heard of this before, but now, with our understanding of quantum physics, we can see it in a new light. Our thoughts, just like particles, carry energy. Positive thoughts can raise our energy levels, affecting the reality we perceive and create. So, make a conscious effort to cultivate positivity. It's not just a feel-good mantra, it's a quantum tool to shape your reality. In essence, quantum physics offers us a new perspective on life. It empowers us to realize that we're not just passive observers, but active participants in shaping our reality. Through mindfulness, understanding the power of choice and positive thinking, we can apply these quantum concepts in our daily life. By understanding and applying these quantum concepts, we may be able to shape our reality in ways we never thought possible. So, are you ready to embark on this quantum journey? So, do we create our reality in quantum physics? Let's summarize what we've discussed. In our exploration, we've delved into the interconnectedness of quantum physics, the mind, consciousness, and reality. We've seen that these aren't separate entities, but rather intricately woven aspects of our existence. We started by understanding the basic premise of quantum physics, which proposes that our reality isn't fixed or finite. Instead, it's a myriad of possibilities, waiting to be collapsed into a single state by observation. This concept suggests that our reality is not merely passively observed, but actively shaped by our interactions with it. We then explored the role of the mind in this process. Thoughts, as it turns out, aren't just ephemeral wisps in our heads. They have potential power in the quantum world. The mind, with its thoughts and perceptions, can influence the physical reality around us, adding a layer of subjectivity to our understanding of the world. Next, we ventured into the realm of consciousness. We discovered that consciousness isn't a byproduct of reality, but rather an integral part of it. It's through consciousness that we engage with the quantum world, collapsing wave functions, and shaping reality with our perceptions and experiences. Finally, we discussed how to apply these quantum concepts in our lives. Harnessing the potential power of our thoughts and consciousness might seem like a daunting task, but it begins with awareness. By recognizing the influence we have over our reality, we start to see the world not as it is, but as it could be. So to answer the question, do we create our reality in quantum physics? The answer appears to be a resounding yes. Our thoughts and consciousness seem to play a crucial role in shaping our reality according to quantum physics. Thank you all for watching this fascinating journey into quantum physics and reality. Remember to smash that like button and subscribe to the All AI channel for more. Have a great weekend and an awesome year, and we hope to see you all next time.